I'm Luis. Welcome to NearHub Academy. Today, let's go over what the toolbar does. So, when I refer to the toolbar, what I'm referring to is this right over here. Now, you notice there's lots of arrows and buttons. Don't worry about it. I'm going to go through what they do briefly. So, you always notice the little pointer tool at the top. It looks kind of like a mouse. That's your selection tool. It allows you to select objects and pull up a menu to the top. And also you'll be able to copy, lock, or delete the image. You have an option to resize the image or move it around. The next one is the traditional pen option that can leave strokes on your canvas. And here we are able to select the thickness and color of your writing tool. If I want to change it to purple, I can do it right here. After that, we'll have our eraser tool. When you select it, you'll be able to erase the pen strokes. You'll notice that it will not erase the shapes or text, just markers or strokes. You'll also notice if you tap on it, you get another option, clear all lines. If you select the next option, it's just your pre-made shapes. Here you have your shapes and you'll be able to switch color of the border and the filling. And you can also tap on here to create a quick workflow. The next option is our sticky notes. This one is really fun to use. You just need to tap on the screen and you've got your sticky notes, in which you'll be able to type in something and you can also resize them and move them along. You'll be given the option to keep writing in there, duplicate them or cut them out. Okay, let's go on with the next option. This is another way to view your templates. You can scroll down and select the one you like. Then tap on it, it will become a part of your canvas. And the last option, also the extremely useful way, is file uploads. From here, we can import either local files on the board or attachments on your own external storage devices, like U-Disk, PSSD, or PHDD. So that's it for our NearHub Academy today. Thanks for joining and wishing you a happy journey with NearHub.